up, guys? This is XDontMess here, bringing you another video today, or should I say unboxing. And today we have the, I believe it's the Elite SummerSlam of, I believe, last year, and it's actually a really good figure, as you can see. Look at all these accessories. It's a Build-A-Figure for Dominic Mysterio, and let's get this thing opened. Okay, let's look at this figure real quick. I have to go over these because I think these are pretty funny in my opinion. Look how tiny these hands are. I mean, like, this is my finger, and it's like half the size of my pointer finger. And like, little baby little arms. We have two of those for the Build-A-Figure Dominic Mysterio. So, yeah, these are pretty cool. I have never seen those tiny hands before made by Mattel, so that's pretty interesting. Then pop these hands out. There we go. These are the microphone hands. These are pretty basic, nothing too important. There's a little black smudge on it. I don't know what that is, but pretty good. Nothing special. Look at the Shawn Michaels. There we go. This is actually a very good Shawn Michaels. Look at his legs. Look at these, like, I believe those are titles on his trunks. Nice, pretty nice. There's the Heartbreak Kid thing right here. Very nice. It's pretty flexible too. And his leg. This one too, pretty flexible. Then you have his hands. Double jointed. I'm pretty thankful for these because I think ever since Mattel added these to the figures, it's been a lot better. So double jointed. And the hands. We have this cool. I'm not gonna take the jacket off because it looks better with the jacket on, but the jacket looks pretty sick. Look all the way down. These little strings at the bottom, so be careful. And now look at the head. Looks like he's pretty serious. The back hair goes all the way down with a little ponytail. Has a little tattoo here, and I believe, like, if I was going across the store and I saw this figure, I would definitely buy it. So I wouldn't pass it up. But I mean, there's probably, like, the Ultimate Edition Shawn Michaels is probably better. But I mean, if this is like probably a close second option. But I recommend it. This figure is really awesome. See you guys in the next video.